Holy smokes, guys, look what just arrived. Dustin here with Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke, and this is a 2021 Apex Nano 208 BHS on the model number, guys. This is an awesome unit. Super lightweight, double axle. You get an outside kitchen, dual corner bunks. We'll get into all that though. Pass-through storage up front. We do have our large awning with our 2 exterior speakers, which I love to see. And then yeah, we'll get more into this outdoor kitchen. We got our mini fridge, a bottle opener, and a cooktop, guys. They've actually upgraded to solid steps to get in. So let's go on inside and check her out. All right, look at this. So this is actually a pretty awesome way to do this, actually, I think. So we have a Murphy bed concept, but you get the couch, the bed's behind it, so seating, and then if you check the photos, I actually have the bed down so you can see what that looks like. Either way, his or hers closets on either side. There is some storage up above with that front windshield. Window right there. And then you have this curtain for privacy, of course. Shield you off from the bunks. We have a dinette with some storage down below. 4-person dinette, of course. Window there, and that will drop down into a bed. Just over into our kitchen area, we have our one-piece stainless steel. Beautiful window. Dual cooktop. Some storage up above. And we got our microwave down low. Over here, some more storage, pots and pans. And we have the Dinette refrigerator that does work on gas and electric, guys. Double over double bunks, check those out. You have light and you have window access, as well as some power hookups for phone charging capabilities. And that's going to be on both bunks, folks, so each way. Some storage down below, and if you need some food storage, we got you covered. Right here, no problem. God, just look at this unit. Very nice. Into our bathroom. We do have the shallow tub. Extra headspace right there where you want it, and the vent for the toilet position. Medicine cabinet up top. Hey guys. Vanity, GFI protected plug. And we have a little bit of storage down below. So also some storage under here, underneath this couch here, guys. Love to see that because that is a good spot for your shoes. And I forgot to get a weight on this, guys, but I will post a weight into the photos. Folks, if you like this unit and you want to get into it for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke, exit 11. And don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.